So you turn the fuel on, and then these buttons here, are you showing it?
Yeah.
This button here is called a, I don't know what it does, but it pushes the float down, and it's a tickler. That's what it is, it's a tickler, and then it just floods it. So you flood that, you can see the fuel going through, and then when this starts dripping,
Yeah.
then it's primed. Okay. And then same thing on this side, fuel's on, and then come show this. So go in there, see, look, see there's the fuel flowing in.
Yeah.
And then watch down here, watch down here. Watch down here.
Yeah.
In a minute, it should, there, okay? So now it's, see the fuel dripping, okay.
Yeah.
Then come here. Then you turn this to the run, R.
Yeah.
See the gen light is on.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we kick it over. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, a little bit. No. What do you